Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ultimate workout body review products that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have Strength Training for Active Seniors by A Step Ahead Publishing and John Lee. This guide is specifically tailored for older adults looking to maintain strength, improve mobility, and enhance overall fitness. An important niche that deserves attention. Key features include a focus on low-impact exercises that are easy on the joints, making it ideal for seniors who may have mobility or arthritis concerns. The book is laid out clearly with step-by-step instructions and illustrations that ensure accessibility. Its design is straightforward, and the tone is encouraging, making it less intimidating for beginners. The build quality of the paperback is durable enough for regular referencing. Performance-wise, this book excels at breaking down complex workout plans into manageable pieces. It doesn't overwhelm the reader with unnecessary jargon, and the exercises can easily be performed at home with minimal equipment. However, the content may feel too basic for those who are already active and looking for advanced challenges. At $17.97, it offers good value for its niche audience, but it may not appeal to younger viewers or those seeking high-intensity workouts. Pros include its targeted approach and simplicity, while cons are its limited applicability for non-senior demographics. At number 3, we have the Men's Health Ultimate Dumbbell Guide by Myatt Murphy and the editors of Men's Health magazine. Priced at $17.77. This book is all about versatility, offering over 21,000 dumbbell exercises that cater to a range of fitness goals, including muscle building, strength, and fat loss. The design of the book is sleek and professional, with high-quality images and clear formatting that makes it easy to navigate. Each exercise is paired with detailed instructions, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. The focus on dumbbell workouts means you don't need a fully equipped gym, just a set of dumbbells and some space. Performance-wise, the book delivers excellent value for those who want to maximize the potential of a single piece of equipment. The sheer number of exercises ensures that you'll never get bored, but the overwhelming variety might be daunting for some. While it's not the cheapest option, it strikes a great balance between price and content quality. Pros include its versatility and detailed instructions, while cons are the potential for information overload and the focus on a single piece of equipment. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Men's Health Hard Body Plan by Larry Keller and Lou Schuler. This guide offers a structured 12-week program designed to help users burn fat and build muscle. A perfect choice for those who thrive on discipline and planning. What sets this book apart is the comprehensive nature of the program. It includes workout routines, meal plans, and lifestyle tips, all geared toward achieving a hard body. The design is user-friendly, with a layout that makes it easy to follow the program week by week. The tone is motivational, and the guidance is practical enough for most fitness levels. When it comes to performance, the results speak for themselves. The 12-week structure helps users stay consistent and track their progress, which is key to achieving long-term results. However, the rigid program may not suit those who prefer more flexibility. At $24.99, it's a solid investment for anyone looking for a complete transformation plan. Pros include its structured approach and all-in-one guidance, while cons are its lack of adaptability for more casual users. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Body Sculpting Bible for Men, 4th edition, by James Vilpeak and Hugo Rivera. At $39.95, this is our premium option, but it justifies its price with an incredibly comprehensive and detailed approach to strength training and bodybuilding. This guide is packed with expertly designed workout routines, nutrition plans, and tips for maximizing results. The authors have decades of experience, and it shows in the precision of their guidance. The book is well organized, with clear illustrations and step-by-step instructions that cater to all fitness levels. The focus on scientifically backed methods sets it apart from other guides. In terms of performance, This book excels across the board. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a foundation or an advanced user aiming to refine your routine, this guide has something for everyone. The higher price point may be a deterrent for some, but the wealth of information and actionable advice makes it worth every penny. Pros include its depth, science-based approach, and adaptability, while cons are its steep price and the fact that it may feel overwhelming for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.